Hi. Just want to show you the view of my apartment. As you know, I have recently moved to Koblenz in Germany, and the city is one of the oldest cities in Germany. And in World War II, actually was heavily bombarded, but the city nowadays is very beautiful. So I would like to show you the view of the city. And as you see, here is this river. The name of this river is actually Mosel, and in this direction it's the Alte Stadt or old town of the city. And this area was unfortunately heavily bombarded during the World War, but of course it's been renovated and everything is now very beautiful. And if you look, of course I don't have that much angle to show you the view, but this way, like this way, the Rhine goes. So the Mosel is basically joins the Rhine, and yeah, so it's famous as Deutsche Ecke. I cannot show you guys, but it's very famous. So yeah, it was on September 19 of 1944 that an air raid on Koblenz happened by the US Air Force, and the bombardment group letter K in a square. And they actually use quite heavy bomb on Koblenz that still the remaining or not exploded, unexploded bombs time to time are discovered, either when they are going to build a new building or when the water of the river surface just decreases, so the bombs just pop out, and then they have to dismantle and remove them. This is one part of the history that happened in Koblenz. And as you see in these pictures, this city was unfortunately totally heavily bombarded, and the Altstadt or the old town was totally destroyed. And this is this shows the U.S. soldiers on Koblenz, and this area is actually on the top of the mountain, and you can see from the Mosel or Rhine. The name of this neighborhood is Ehrenbreitstein. Of course, the cameraman now in these pictures is located in Lutzel. So Lutzel is the other side, and Ehrenbreitstein is on the other side of the river, which the castle, the main castle of the Koblenz. This is also a very interesting photo. As you see, the Deutschecke on the left side of the corner of this, and a very old bridge. Of course, the bridges are all destroyed because of the bombardment. And my guess is actually there is still some remaining of those bombs. Could be underneath the surface of the river. And I am actually living quite here at the left side of the Mosel, and what I showed you is just opposite side of the river, which is the old town is located. And my plan is actually just in the future, a couple of months, just discover what is around in Mosel, and especially I would like to see if there is remaining, maybe any kind of remained bomb on the cover underneath of the river. I have some ideas how to do that, but stay tuned, and we will find out, or maybe we build a drone to go under the water. We will see. So I have a lot of plans, and I would like to see if I can find remaining bombs, because the last couple of years several bombs were discovered. And I think it should be nice also to a little bit maybe go discovering the flues, I mean the river. So stay tuned, and we will see each other soon. Bye.